At Seafolly, we believe fit is more about the feeling than it is about the size.
Today Monique has on the slide triangle, which is the perfect shape for most cup sizes. It features removable contouring and sits perfectly on an A through to a C cup. The neck and the back tie can be adjusted for the perfect fit. Bandos are a great shape for many cup sizes, plus no tan lines. Often they'll come with an underwire for a larger bust for more support and the option of a removable strap if you're swimming. Our bandos now also come with a one-shoulder asymmetrical look option, which is really on trend at the moment. It's great for broader shoulders as it really helps break up the neckline, and this one features removable contouring. A bralette style is much like a bra, except without the moulded cups. This bralette features removable contouring, a roulet detail through the front, roulet detail through the back, and the straps can be adjusted at the top. Our halter styles are a great shape for many cup sizes. Like a triangle, they feature removable contouring and tie up around the neck, often with a thicker strap for comfort. Tying the tie off to the side of the spine will stop you from getting sore throughout the day. Lulu is wearing one of my favourite tops. The Seafolly Bando has been in our range for ages. It features contouring and boning for shape and support, gripper tape on the interior to stop slippage, and can be worn several different ways, including taking the halter strap around to the back of the garment to create a strapless bandeau style. This is our wrap front booster style. It's extremely popular for a lot of different cup sizes. It features contouring, underwire, and removable padding on the inside, which means it'll actually fit a larger cup size if needed. It wraps through the front and then ties at the back underneath the clip. It also features adjustable convertible straps for really great support. This is one of everybody's favourite styles. The Double D bra is a great supportive option for a larger cup size. It features hidden underwire, adjustable straps. It can be converted for crossover for maximum support with a clip back. Today Jax is wearing our F cup halter style. This style features hidden underwire and boning for support, and the tubes on the necktie can be adjusted down for the perfect fit. The back of this style features adjustable convertible straps, which can be adjusted to help with support. This is our F cup UBar Halter. It features underwire for support, boning in the side, and the neck strap on the tube can be adjusted for the perfect amount of coverage and support. The back of this design features adjustable convertible straps, so it can be set up as a crossback if required.